你好，我是 John. Hello, I'm John. Welcome to Big Bang Vocab, the fun way to expand your Chinese vocabulary. Today, we are going to talk about weather. Hey, what a nice morning we are having today. In Chinese, we say 晴天. 晴天 means a sunny day. 晴 second tone. 天 first tone. 晴天晴天晴天 Alex, 今天是晴天，我们去爬山吧。Alex, it's sunny today. How about we go hiking? I was thinking the same thing. Oh, looks like it's getting cloudy. 阴天 means a cloudy day. 阴 first tone. 天 first tone. 阴天阴天阴天 Mark, 西安明天是阴天。Mark, Xi'an is going to be cloudy tomorrow. As long as it doesn't rain, I'm happy. I don't want my flight to get cancelled. Why is it always cloudy in the city? 这不是阴天。It's not the clouds. Actually, it's the air pollution. And now it's raining. What's going on today? 下雨 means to rain. 下 fourth tone. 雨 third tone. 下雨下雨下雨 I'm going to Hong Kong tomorrow for business. 别忘记带伞，香港很爱下雨。Don't forget to bring an umbrella. Hong Kong is always raining. John, 天气预报说西安明天下雨。The weather forecast said that it would rain in Xi'an tomorrow. Well, traveling in the rain? Let's look at what we learned in today's lesson. 晴天阴天 and 下雨 That's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. What's the weather like in your city today? Upload your recordings and let me know. And don't forget to tell me what topics you want to learn in the future. See you next time. 再见。John, 你没带伞吗？没有，天气预报说今天是晴天。What did John think the weather would be like today according to the dialogue? Sunny, cloudy, rainy. Please choose the best answer. 现在我们看北京的天气。What is he most likely going to say? 北京明天是晴天。北京明天是阴天。北京明天下雨。Please choose the best answer. 李明，我想去踢球，你去吗？我不去。It's so cloudy outside. It might rain later. What's the weather like now according to the dialogue? 晴天，下雨，阴天。Please choose the best answer. Hey John, 昨天的约会怎么样？Terrible. We were caught in a heavy rain. What was the weather like yesterday for John's date according to the dialogue? 昨天是晴天。昨天下雨。昨天是阴天。Please choose the best answer. 李明，你喜欢什么天气？Ever since I watched the musical Singing in the Rain, I fell in love with that weather. What can be inferred from the dialogue? 李明喜欢晴天。李明喜欢阴天。李明喜欢下雨。 Please choose the best answer.